uniform on, I have my apron on, and I'm all ears to JL who will be showing me first the parts of ito kung ano yung mga gagawin namin dito as barista. So, JL, ano ba yung mga kailangan ko unang malaman?
So, unang-una yung we have 3 different types of coffee beans.
Okay.
One is the
Do we have it here?
yeah.
Okay.
We have Arabica, Robusta, and Liberica. So, the difference between the two, when you say Arabica, siya yung medyo oval siya. And then,
Oval, okay.
Yeah, oval siya and then medyo curve yung pinaka yung line niya. And then, pag Robusta, this one,
Ano yung mga differences niya? Mas malasa ba?
mas
or
low
matapang?
yung caffeine content ng
Arabica.
yeah, ng Arabica. And then, mas high naman tong Robusta.
Okay.
Yung Robusta bilog. So, circular yung Robusta and then straight yung ano niya, yung pinaka-curve niya sa loob. This one, ito.
Okay, alright.
So,
That's Robusta. So we have Arabica and then we have Robusta. Okay.
More on caffeine ng Robusta.
Okay.
And then less caffeine content ang Arabica.
Okay. Alright.
So, yun yung 2 types ng beans na ginagamit dito sa coffee beanery. And then, more on equipment side. This one is the espresso machine. We use this for espresso shot.
Okay.
And then, siphon for brewed coffee.
For the brewed coffee.
And then, doser grinder. We have 2 types eh. Doser grinder and bout grinder.
So what's the difference?
Doser grinder for espresso lang. Naka-fix siya for espresso.
Okay.
Para
So it's more fine compared to the other one.
Etong isa, bout grinder. Pwede rin siyang espresso. Meron siyang adjusting.
Okay. Alright.
Para for espresso, pwede ring brewed coffee and then French press.
Okay. So I guess I know na kung ano yung mga kailangan ko malaman sa paggawa ng kape. Why don't you teach me how to make one?
First, yung brewed coffee naman.
Sige, go.
Brewed coffee.
Brewed coffee.
So, kapag brewed coffee, usually 1 cup ng coffee beans.
Okay.
Cravings blend beans.
Okay.
10 grams to.
Yeah.
And then,
Tapos 3.5.
3.5 ang
Tingnan nyo, alam ko.
3.5 yung grind. So, habang nag-grind ng beans, you can put na hot water.
Okay. So, 1 cup only.
1 cup only.
Alright. That's what I don't like. The fire.
Siphon yung tawag dito sa method na to. Siphon method. Yung beans, lalagay lang natin yung grinded beans.
Okay.
And then, hintayin natin siyang umangat.
Okay. So, do we really have to keep alisin natin yung cover?
Oo, kasi kapag kukunin mo na siya, hindi mainit yung cover.
Okay.
Ito yung pang-ano namin para lang makuha. Para hindi mo siya kailangang hawakan.
Okay.
Mainit. So, yan. Kapag mukulo na siya, stir. Stir. And then, papatayin natin para bumaba yung coffee.
So, yung air pressure niya, mas strain.
We'll never understand why the road's empty at night. We tried hard to
Ano yung mga qualities ng isang barista?
Actually, dito sa amin, one of the qualities you should be HRM talaga.
Pero aside from being pogi, ano ba yung ibang qualities?
So, kailangan marunong ka
Pero ito question lang kailangan ba talaga pogi ka para maging isang barista?
Hindi naman, pero advantage yun. Kailangan presentable ka lang talaga.
Okay.
Kasi maharap ka sa mga different kinds of guests.
And you have to be neat and clean, right?
So yun, ito yung brewed coffee natin.
Okay.
So, dito sa amin kasi usually dapat more on HRM, parang related yung course mo to HRM.
Okay.
So, yun, wala namang kung sa height or something, wala. Basta, pakita mo lang sa kanila na you are determined to be a barista.
So I guess we're done with the brewed coffee. Now we move on to the espresso.
I'll teach you how to make one good espresso. Kapag mag-espresso shot ka, level. Usually 14 grams to.
Alright.
Ng grinded, mas fine yung grind niya compared dun sa brewed coffee.
Okay. In terms of customer relations, Jill, I mean, what qualities do you have to have? in dealing with your customers?
Ang ano namin kasi more on mga Chinese. So, more on Chinese yung mga guests.
Ay, dad, marunong ako mag-
Oh, hindi naman kailangan kailangan ano men. Alam mo kung ano yung mga product na isasuggest mo kasi
Okay.
usually minsan meron silang ano ba yung sugar, ano ba yung mga ganito, ano yung hindi masyadong matamis. So, kailangan alam mo kung ano yung ibibigay mong product sa kanila. Kasi,
And a lot of Filipinos these days, they're very particular about the sugar content, yung mga ganyan. So, just watching their weights. So, you have to know what to suggest to them.
dapat continuous yung flow nung preso.
Yeah,
Yun
dapat
mga-
continuous yung flow.
Kapag hindi, ibig sabihin bad shot, hindi tama yung pagtatamp mo.
So, ambaga sa vodka, you also have the espresso shot, right? Okay.
So, I'll teach you how to do espresso, cappuccino and cafe latte.
Okay, what are you saying?
Cappuccino consists of espresso shot.
Okay.
Kapag cappuccino, more on coffee,
Okay.
and then lesser yung milk, with milk foam dapat yung ibabaw. And then kapag cafe latte naman, espresso shot, kaya lang mas lesser dapat, and then mas marami dapat yung milk.
Milk. Okay.
Latte, it means milk, more on
Okay.
milk. Ganun.
Ayan.
Si ikaw, not bad. Kaya mo naman pala eh.
Actually, ang saya nga eh. Nabitin pa ako.
Don't worry, we'll go back to that later. Kasabay ng iba't iba pang klaseng beverages na kakaiba.
Aba, kakaiba. Wow, mysterious.
Mukhang di na makapaghintay itong barista natin. Don't worry, ikaw, malalaman natin yan sa pagbabalik ng pinakabigating business show, ang Go Negosyo Big Time!